And not really sure what the special edition is, other than the paint. So these are literally just a few stickers. I'm thinking that's what it is, but anyway, I'll give you the review on it anyway. Lovely wheels. Oh, I hate the disc. That is right. That's not even a floating. That should be a floating disc. Why is that not a floating disc? And it's a W front fork, brake. I don't know. I've never really seen one of these. I'm not really sure. That's really nice though. Look, this is lovely. I like the air intakes here. Really, really cool. Radiator is a bit cheap. That is plastic. Look at this, man. That is not very well made, isn't it? But it's only a cheap bike, so you can't really complain anyway. The graphics really nice. That is lovely. I'll show you the back as well. This is really cool. Lovely little handles. Really nice rear tires. Yeah, WP suspension again. The main thing here is the paint job. That is horrible. Look at this. They've got to take this whole bloody plastic thing. Could that be any bigger? And you know the bit? I just found the problem. I just found the big problem actually. You can't just take this off. This is joined all the way to up here. Look, this is part of the rear seat. Oh man, that is pants. That means you can never get this off. Same with these as well. No, these you can. You've got two little bolts here, so you can get this whole piece off here. However, you get this off, and then you can't get this piece of shit off. Look at that. That should be here. That should be cut, man. That is one bad point. Again, KTM, sort that shit out. People don't like this crap stuck on the back of bikes. I know you have to do it for regulation purposes, yes. But you can put some screws on here to allow people like myself to get rid of this piece of crap, ugly thing that just spoils the whole bike. But yeah, anyway, so there you go. KTM Super Parts. Very simple, little plug there. Mode KTM set on the side. And there you go. The KTM 250 Special Edition. And this is the same one, but different color, but the same thing. Super Duke Special Edition. They put up a few little stickers on it to make it a little bit different. I don't see anything else much different. That's quite nice though. See, look behind there. So not much to show other than the colors. Basically, that's what this is. Look. It's basically just the colors. That's the only thing that's different. Pretty nice. Oh no, it's got a little stunt metal. Oh, maybe this. Oh, this is cool. Actually, I get it now. I was thinking, why do they have this? Why is the frame so big? But yeah, it's a little stunt bike. That's what this is for. This is so you can drop the damn thing and not break it, basically. That's so cool. That is really, really cool. And they're both like that. Special edition. Special edition, you might as well call it the special edition stunt bike.